Hello and welcome to How to Play Golf Solitaire, presented by GatherTogetherGames.com. This video will cover how to play the card game Golf Solitaire. To play, you will need a 52-card deck. The game is set up by creating 7 columns with 5 cards in each column. Each new row of cards overlaps the previous row. The top card of the remaining deck is placed face up to start the Talon pile. The object of the game is to get all the cards from the 7 columns into the Talon pile. Available cards can be moved to the Talon pile when they are 1 number higher or 1 number lower than the top card showing. The game begins by playing an available card onto the Talon if it is 1 number higher or 1 number lower. Here, the 5 can be played onto the 6, and the 4 onto the 5 onto the 4, and so on. Once a player gets to a point where no more moves can be made, the top card of the remaining deck is flipped up and play resumes. The 9 or Jack can be played on the flipped up 10. The 9 is played, followed by an 8, 9, 8, and 9 before another card needs to be flipped. If a player is able to move all the cards from the opening grid to the Talon pile, the game is won. If a player gets stuck with no more moves to be made, the game is lost. A card can only be moved to the Talon pile if no other cards are on top of it. The game can be played where the Ace and King can be played on each other to round the corner. For a more difficult gameplay, the Ace and King cannot be played on each other. A score can be kept by adding to your score any cards that remain after a round. For this round, the score would be 3. If a round is 1, the cards left in the remaining deck are subtracted from your score. For this round, the score would be -2. Play 9 rounds and try to stay under the par score of 36. That wraps up how to play Golf Solitaire. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and get more game tutorials by subscribing to our channel, Gather Together Games. Thanks for watching.